The rain shall come or not, as in the days of Elijah. As in the days of Elijah, so shall the rain be or not be. As Elijah had charge of the rain and lack thereof, so shall my emissary also. As Elijah had charge of the fire of God and lack thereof, so shall my emissary also. Ah, the law of purification of fire and water mysteriously appears again. In the message, thusly says the Almighty Lord God, is spoken and written this day, date, and time of Tuesday the 26th of July, 2016 at 11:48 p.m. American Eastern Daylight Time, Tampa Bay, Florida, the United States of America, the place where my godly, holy name is meticulously engraved. Published for Friday the 12th of May, 2017.